Just to give you a bit of a background, so we're a company called Proxeom, which was started for essentially personal reasons, because I think a lot of us are affected by cancer, and we find out that cancer is a surprisingly devastating disease, and even in the last 10 years, basically we have not been able to change the cancer lethality. It's only improved around 2% in the last 10 years. So the goal is, how can Proxeom help cancer survival per se? And the technology we are working on is kind of a modification of liquid biopsy. So what we do is a paradigm where we can continuously monitor a cancer patient and see how the cancer progresses over time, whether the therapy has worked, whether the surgery has worked, or whether a worse form of cancer has come back as a relapse or as a kind of a metastatic state. So technology is essentially based on blood sampling or body fluids. We take the DNA that is ejected from cancer cells, and this is placed inside the blood, and we capture that. So this is histones, protein DNA. We capture that into kind of a proprietary pathway or technology, and that gets converted into a very high accuracy sequencing library. So basically what happens, a patient would donate a blood sample, and then this would create a mutation profile. The mutation profile would inform the doctor that, hey, this is the amount of cancer still present, this is the type of cancer, and most importantly, it basically tells you what therapy is likely to work or not work in this situation. This is absolutely critical. And again, all of this is done without even knowing where the cancer is or whether there is a need for a tissue biopsy. So it's absolutely non-invasive. So the way we differentiate, we basically have 3 levels of accuracy built into our library prep, and that gives you very high level of detection sensitivity. So we can detect very low amounts of cancer mutations in a background of normal. So we have a pretty powerful team. So for example, I have been at Illumina 7 years, Iron Tor and Thermo Fisher, and I brought technology and products which have generated billions of dollars of revenue. We have a couple of other partners. One of them is from CloneTech, who has a great expertise in this technology, a bioinformatician, and an operations person from HP. So our whole goal is, can we change the paradigm for cancer, increase the survival rate? So we are targeting specifically people who already have cancer, and it would be kind of once a month or once a quarter test, a very simple blood-based test, which would inform both the patient and the physician, hey, it's time to change the therapy or to kind of intervene in different ways. The market is pretty attractive. There is an expectation of around 150 million samples per year. And I think JP Morgan has estimated that at around 20 billion opportunity. A lot of players are participating, but we are again differentiated by a core platform, which essentially requires 1/10 the sequencing depth, lower cost that we can get it. So a goal of a company, Proxeom, is just to increase survival rate and to decrease the mortality from cancer, which about 8 million plus people die every year from cancer. And we hope this paradigm of doing a test once a month or once a quarter will kind of change the game. And thank you again for watching us. Please check out our company. It's proxeom.com, Proxeom.com. Thanks.